Morning! Good morning, everyone. I just woke up, guys. Ayan, kagigising ko lang, guys. Pero bakit parang ang ganda ko na, guys? Ay, it's a joke, guys. Ayan, gandang-ganda lang ako sa sarili ko, guys. Ayan, feeling maganda na naman ako. Yun yung aking mata, guys. So, ayan, kagigising ko lang. Kagigising ko lang, guys. And I have a food here. Ito yung aking breakfast for today, guys. Ayan. Ayun, kadagising ko guys, ayan. Ito yung aking iniinom, ang warm water with lemon for my lalamunan guys. Kasi meron pa akong konting ubo. Hmm, hindi pa nawawala yung aking ubo guys. Hindi pa nawala yung aking ubo. Kaya I drink salabat, warm water with salabat and lemon. Ayan yung aking daily drinks guys. Every day pagkagising ko. Ayan, so let's eat guys. Meron akong sandwich dito. Ayan. Inano natin siya guys. Ayan, ininit natin siya. Ayan oh. And then meron siyang mayonnaise sa loob. Ayan, ito yung aking breakfast. Mm, let's eat. Ang sarap nyo guys. Sarap ng aking breakfast for today. Mm, sarap. Hi, good morning. Let's eat guys. Medyo nasunog yung aking guys. Ayun, aking sandwich. Medyo nasunog siya pero sarap niya. Mm. 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 My cat is always yeah. Ano si Mingming. Sprayhan natin ng alcohol para yan. Mm. Meron tayo. Ang sarap ng aking guys, ng aking ayan, ito lang yung kinakain ko sa umaga guys. And then afternoon, a little amount of rice. Ayan, para mag-slim tayo guys, para maano yung aking tummy. Ayan, because my problem is my tummy guys. Belly fats. Ayan, may belly fats tayo guys. Kaya I need to, kailangan kong mawala yung ating belly fats guys. Kaya I need diet and exercise guys. Kaya yun. Hmm, that's it. Isa lang guys, sapat na. Hirap pa akong ubusin guys. Isang Hi, good morning. Let's eat bread. Hmm, hirap akong ubusin guys. Hmm? I'm gonna drink this. Lemon water. So, that's it guys. I'm finished. Ayan o. May natira akong isang slice ng bread. So, mamaya na naman yan guys. So, that's it for today guys. Bye!